First open the glove box. Next thing, you have to disconnect this piece like that. Now you have to press on both sides of the glove box. Press and open the glove box completely. This part actually can be removed. Now you need to remove this white cover. Like that, and here you'll see the cabin air filter. This is how it looks. You can see there is an up arrow here. So if you're replacing your cabin air filter with the OEM part, this is where you will see the arrow as well on the new one, but in this case it doesn't have it. To remove it, simply pull it out like that, and then you will need to insert the new one. Install it exactly the same way. Inside, reinstall the cover, and the glove box goes back on. Then you have to reattach right here and simply close the glove box.